Hello there, in this tutorial we will show you footer copyright and credit text, content update and styling. For that, you need to log into your WordPress admin panel, then under Appearance, click Customize. On the next screen, click Color and Background, then Footer Copyright Style. From that, you can select the text color, link hover color, and optionally border colors, and then the background option. From here, you can select a color as a background and image as a background image, and the background image settings. Those are really self-explanatory. So let's move to the content section. For that, go to the main settings again and click the footer settings. From there, select footer copyright and credit. From here, if you place any content as your copyright text, it will be shown. And remove the default copyright text. And if for the credit content, if you place any content here, it will replace the default content. And don't forget to click the publish button if you make any changes in the customizer to save them in the database. That's all. Thanks for watching.